sweet. I like her a lot.
You did? Why?
Yeah. She's very, like, I think it's partially because she's speaking English, but it's just like, oh yes, very much. This, like, she's very happy to talk about it. She has a very positive experience with it, not only because she has her family. I love that her sister fights too. Like, it's. I think that in maybe it's an American thing, or at least my experience of it being an American thing, that because you're very isolated in gyms as females, or because you're competitive with, you know, the women immediately around you, like, we're not flying all over Canada and whatever the neighboring areas are to fight one another, that it can feel very isolating, and so there's this kind of echo of that, or flavor of that, in the way that you talk about what you're doing. Like, your training feels very isolated. Her training feels very communal. And I love that she says that she trains the same to fight someone who she's already fought. Like, she just worries about herself. It's not like, oh, well, I know she's going to kick me this way, that way. And the other thing, like, your coach can tell you that and train you that way, but that doesn't need to be in your head type of thing, because that way each fight is itself. You know, it's not like, oh, I lost to you before, so I have this head case of, like, how am I going to beat you? It's, I could have beat you in that fight, so I can beat you in the next one. It's like flipping a coin, you know? Like, you just flip the coin each time. You don't, like, prepare for how to flip a coin.
That's good.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
It's very cool. I like her a lot.